Right, in today's technical interview, I want you to explain the project that I saw on your resume. So I was working at this company and people kept spamming racist messages in the chat, man, when I was streaming. So then I was like, I want some way to filter these out so that people get blocked, and then also another way so that the clean messages could actually go through. And it all had to be fast. And what was your main technical goal? Oh, the goal was simple. I wanted to keep the whole moderation check under 200 milliseconds and then block the toxic content before it even hits our database.
And how did you implement the moderation check?
Oh, I was real clever about this. I used Google Gemini's API for classification. Like before any message gets sent to Cosmos DB, it actually gets sent to Gemini first with the prompt asking to classify it as toxic or spam or harassment. Then Gemini returns a JSON with a classification and a confidence score. And if we move on over here, then the flagged messages, they actually go to a violations container on Cosmos DB with the confidence score, the reason, and the category. And this means that the user is going to get a 403 forbidden message so that they know what they did wrong. And then all the clean messages go to our messages container as well on Cosmos DB.
All right, but what happens if Gemini's API goes down?
It's actually pretty simple, man. I use the fail open pattern. So if the Gemini API fails or it times out, the chat services bypasses the entire classification and goes to the database. Basically, in this case, availability is going to beat safety. Like we can spare a few toxic messages.
Can I ask what was the final result?
And the result here was crazy. It got 150 milliseconds latency and it caught 95% of the toxic messages, which honestly for a first attempt, like that was pretty good.
Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn this as well, I just went to learn.nextweek.org and I did one of these hands-on projects. Like in this project, I literally learned how to do all of this. Oh, and as you're going through the project, make sure you fill in these questions here because you actually get documentation that you can then share to recruiters and you can add it to LinkedIn, GitHub, or any other platform.
Son, you're hired.
You can get a 100K signing bonus.
Hey, my guy, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you.